tools you need for this job are a flathead screwdriver, a long extension, or you can add it up to make it longer, a 13 socket, 10 socket, and a swivel. The drill are optional. You can do it by hand with a ratchet. Alright, let's get on it.
Welcome to my channel, DIY Mechanic.
Alright, so today we're working on a 2009 Dodge Journey. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the intake manifold, air intake manifold. So first thing you got to do, you're going to have to jack your car up. So I'm going to jack it up from this side, from the driver's side, and I'll show you why. Alright, so you come over here to the passenger side on the front. So first, we're trying to remove the two screw back there. There's two screw holding this manifold to a bracket. So one of them you can get it from up here. All you need is a 13 with a little ratchet. So you stick it in here. Stick your hand in here, and you're gonna feel the screw right there. I'll show you that screw from the bottom. You see? Yeah. So I'm gonna go under and show you those two screws, so you know exactly what I'm doing. All right. When you jack your car up, don't forget to put a jack stand under for safety. So let me go under there. All right. So here we are. So you're gonna come all the way to the back until you see the flex pipe over here for the exhaust. And then if you can see all the way up there, that's one screw that we need to remove. And the other one is right there. That's the one we're gonna do from the top. So let me get my extension ready, and I'll show you exactly right now. Alright, so here we go. I'll show you the extension that I'm using after I take it off. So I'm doing it with a drill. Gotta make sure I'm straight. Make sure I'm straight. Okay, so I need, there you go. Right there. That's how. There's the screw. Let me see if I can do the other one as well through here. I know from the top. I do that one from the top better, so I don't have to be fighting down here. And I'll show you exactly the extension that I use. Okay, so this is the extension that I use with the drill. So it's about 19-inch long, and I got this little small extension that actually move. Well, both of them move. This long extension has a little play on it. If you don't have that, you can get yourself one of these and just put it to the long one. That's what also work. The only thing is you might have to stretch your other hand up there and hold it straight so you can get it loose. I done it with this one and it also worked. So now I gotta do the other one by hand, and this is a 13. So I'm gonna go do the other one up here. I already got this one loose, and now I'm gonna do it by hand. Okay. I should be able to do it by finger now. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing, but you already saw the screw, so you know what I'm doing. Alright, there it is. Right there. So now I'm gonna show you exactly what you're gonna do over here. Alright, so lower the car back down. Make sure you take your jack stand off. And down we go. So let's get this out from here. Now from here everything is gonna be easy. Those two screws, those are the pain to do. So let me get my tools ready. Alright, so let's start on this side. You're gonna have those two connector there. So you're gonna get a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna push the little red tab down a little bit. Now we go to the one back there. Push the red tab down. Then you press on the bottom and push down. Same thing for the back. Press the clip and push down. Now we come on the right side. Get your flathead. Get this thing loose right here. The intake. Get that loose. This one you pop the red clip out. This one look like it's broken, so still pop it out. Then you press right here and you unplug it. Same thing here. See this one? You push it out, press on it, and pull it. Don't pull it on the wire, pull it on the clip, on the actual connector. Put this on the side right here. Unplug this sensor. Open this clip. Unplug this hose. You can either unplug it from here or here, whichever is easier for you. Now we pick it up, wiggle it, put it on the side. It's gonna be another hose over here. Unplug that. Ugh, it's a little bit hard. We need to unplug it. There you go. There. Now we get a 10. So I'm gonna do it with this one. Do it faster. So you're gonna remove those two 10s right there. That's for the EGR. I believe for the EGR exhaust ball. That one is an 8. It's not a 10. Let me get an 8. All right, here we go. So we got an 8mm socket. All right, we'll try not to drop it. And I did. It's okay, I get it later. Doing this with one hand. All right, we'll do the other one in the back. Oh, that one didn't drop. Okay. So once you get that out, pay attention here. You got a rubber seal here. Make sure you don't lose this or break it. So you slide the rubber seal out, so you'll be able to slide this out, and that's just gonna stay right there. Now you got another line over here, another hose. This one need to come out as well, and this little one too. So remember, you got 3 lines, 3 hoses over here. So 1, 2, and 3. We have another 10 over here, socket, and I believe that's a 13. So let me check. Yeah, 13. I'm gonna do it with a drill. Okay, so here we go. 13 here. That's out. Put it right here. Now, you need a 10. That bracket right there, that's a 10. I mean, you can pick up the whole thing without taking this bracket off, but I'd rather take the bracket off and be fighting with it. It's only one screw, so don't forget to put this little bracket back on. Now I'm gonna remove there's 4 10s on the front, 3 10s on the back. One more. Take all of them off. All right, so that should be free to come out. Before you do that, slide all the screw up so that they don't get stuck on the hole and bother you. Right there. Now I should be able to just pick this up and take it out. Maybe I can do one hand. Yes. Yes. There it is. So now you have full access to all your spark plugs and coils. This is the bracket where we took out the screw. That's the one we took it out from down there straight with the extension. This one you cannot do it from up here. You got to do it from the bottom. There's no way you can get to it. This one you can do it. I did it from the top, but this one you cannot. Alright, so to put it back, same way, you work your way back and you're done. So do your repair and do whatever you got to do. And if you, let's say you're doing this job because you're doing spark plug or you're doing one coil, I recommend putting all 3 coils back here new and save those for future for the front. Don't just replace one, because if you have to do this job again within 40 miles, 20 miles, you're gonna have to pay the labor again. So just do all 3 brand new back there. If one went back bad, that means the other ones are on the way. So do all 3 new, save the old ones. If they're still good, save them. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, I recommend whenever you're working on these, make sure you cover these holes. You got to put a towel on it, and so you don't drop anything in there. I just replaced that injector. I just replaced that injector. In case you need an injector, that's the part number for it. This is the whole one. Alright.